Welcome to the Oligo News. Today, we're covering a significant development from the Supreme Court of India that could impact cases involving religious places across the country. This legal update is a big headline for anyone following the Places of Worship Act case. Stay tuned as we break down all the details in simple, engaging language. The Supreme Court of India has issued a major order. No new temple or mosque-related cases can be filed until the case concerning the Places of Worship Act 1991 is resolved. This act, which is at the center of intense debate, governs the status of religious places in the country. If you're curious about what this means for ongoing cases in places like Kashi and Mathura, or the broader implications for India's judicial system, keep watching. Let's first understand the Places of Worship Act 1991. Passed during a politically charged era, this act aims to maintain the religious character of any place of worship as it existed on August 15, 1947. The law effectively prohibits the conversion of places of worship and restricts the filing of legal suits to alter their status. The only exception, the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case, which was specifically excluded when this act was enacted. This new directive from the Supreme Court is crucial for ongoing cases across India. Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, has made it clear, no courts, whether local, state, or national, can entertain fresh suits regarding temple or mosque disputes. This means that high-profile cases in Kashi, the Gyanvapi Mosque, and Mathura, Krishna Janmabhoomi, will not see further developments until this larger issue is resolved. This decision will likely halt public debates and judicial proceedings for the time being. The Supreme Court has also directed the central government to submit a detailed reply regarding the validity of the Places of Worship Act. This response has been pending since 2020, and the court wants clarity. The government must address 1. Why the law was introduced. 2. Its implications for secularism. 3. How it aligns with the Indian Constitution. This reply could set the stage for broader discussions on the Act's constitutionality. Here's where things get interesting. Religious disputes have always been a sensitive topic in India, and cases in places like Kashi and Mathura hold immense cultural and historical significance. These cases could shape India's socio-political narrative for years to come. The Supreme Court's order means litigants in these cases will have to wait for clarity on the Places of Worship Act. But what does this mean for other religious disputes across India? Reports suggest the court is currently assessing the number of such pending cases nationwide. Legal experts are calling this a landmark pause in religious litigation. Some say the directive allows for a more comprehensive examination of the Act. Others believe it could create tension among groups waiting for justice. Meanwhile, public opinion remains divided. Many see the Act as a crucial step toward secular harmony, while others view it as a restriction on their religious freedoms. What do you think? Should the Places of Worship Act remain unchanged, or does it need to be revisited? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 1. It's not just about temples or mosques. It's about the legal foundation of India's secularism. 2. The ruling will influence how future disputes over religious places are handled. 3. The government's stand on the Act could shape its political image in upcoming elections. This Supreme Court directive on the Places of Worship Act is a pivotal moment in India's legal and cultural history. As we wait for the government's reply and further developments, this case continues to highlight the delicate balance between law, religion, and politics. Thank you for your valuable time.